Hello and welcome to Walk Talk Health. This is going to be a recap series, Food as Medicine. We're going to walk around some amazing sites. In this case we're at the Villa De Esta in Tivoli, just outside Rome, and we're going to recover previous Food as Medicine, in this case extra virgin olive oil and its health benefits. Hope you enjoy the walk and looking at the incredible gardens and house. So welcome to Villa De Esta in Tivoli. I think it's slightly north of Rome. Took an hour approximately to get here by metro and by bus. And so far this is the first courtyard to get to. It's a beautiful building, and then there's all the gardens to go see and enjoy. Corridor takes us down out into the gardens, which look spectacular from up the top there. Get to see what they look like when we get down there. Very decorated rooms, beautifully decorated. It's pretty cool. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleic acid, which reduces bad cholesterol LDL and increases good cholesterol HDL. And this takes us out to the gardens, steps all the way down there. Beautiful, amazing views. Amazingly well decorated. This has taken us down to an amazing lookout point. Have a look over the edge of here. It's a very pretty villa. I'm not sure I'd call it a villa, it's massive, but very well kept gardens, and it's in a beautiful spot. Extra virgin olive oil has hydroxytyrosol, a potent antioxidant reducing inflammation. It protects cells from oxidative damage linked to aging and disease. We're heading down now towards the waterfalls and the lake, and see them in the distance. They look beautiful even from here. Let's go take a look at those next. There's the house that we just came from. Stunning. What an amazing place to live at one time. You turn corners and then you just suddenly find features like this, which is beautiful. Extra virgin olive oil has alpha tocopherol. It's an antioxidant that protects cell membranes. It supports immune function and also skin health. Wow, look at the work that's gone into that. Amazing. Down into the gardens. Really pretty. Extra virgin olive oil has oleuropein, which breaks down into hydroxytyrosol, supporting heart health by relaxing blood vessels and lowering blood pressure. waterfalls and the fountains. There's supposed to be 100 fountains in this garden. There's koi carp in these ponds. Some of them pretty darn big, but they're all black in colour. I thought most koi carp were kind of orange, etc., but must take an awful lot of upkeep. Ticket price was pretty good, €15 each. Recommend you buy them when you get here. We tried buying them online. I think the cheapest we found online was €17. So that's €2 each for the privilege of buying in advance. There was zero queue. We are in May, so maybe outside of May there might be a queue to get in, but you know, 2 people, €4. That's a cup and a half of coffee. Extra virgin olive oil has oleosenthal, which mimics ibuprofen's anti-inflammatory effects by inhibiting COX enzymes, reducing joint pain and helping to prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. They seem to have quite a few nipples. Heading up to the dragon fountain now. It's supposed to be a reasonably impressive one. It's certainly quite a climb. Some more amazing architecture, and you can take stairs 2 ways up, this way. Or this way. The Predimed study, 7,000 high-risk adults took 50 grams of extra virgin olive oil daily. They saw a 30% reduction in major heart attack and stroke risk. This is actually drinking water to see what it tastes like. Oh, cold and refreshing. Lovely. Well, that was a workout. The Eurolife study showed that polyphenols lowered oxidized LDL. Measured oleocanthal inhibiting COX enzyme relieving pain. So I hope you've enjoyed the walk around these incredible grounds. I'm so glad we made the journey. If you want to see the official walk and talk for extra virgin olive oil and learn all kinds of things about it, what type to get, when to consume it, what's in it, how it helps us, all those important things, plus enjoy an incredible trail, then check out the official video here. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye. Arrivederci.